If your Dell laptop screen is frozen, don't worry. There are a couple of simple ways you can try to fix it. First, use a keyboard shortcut that can restart the graphics driver on your keyboard. Press and hold the Windows key, the Control key, the Shift key, and the letter B all at the same time. When you do this, your screen may be briefly turn black or flickering. After a few seconds, check if your laptop is working again and if the mouse or keyboard responds. If the screen is still frozen, there is another method that usually works. Find the power button on your Dell laptop and press and hold it down for about 60 seconds, even if the screen turns off. Continue the holding until the full 60 seconds are complete. This helps fully reset the laptop and clear the frozen state. After that, release the power button and turn on the laptop back on normally. In many cases, your screen should now work correctly again. You should be able to move the mouse, use the keyboard and continue using the laptop without any problem. This quick step can help solve most frozen screen issue on Dell laptop. This is a simple step, hope you understand. I have a request, if you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.